Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Women MPs Lok Sabha 2024. In the recent Lok Sabha elections, a total of 74 women MPs have been elected, making up 13.63% of the elected strength of the Lok Sabha. This is well below the 33% quota that will be reserved for women after the next delimitation exercise. This also marks a slight dip in numbers from the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, when 78 women MPs, that is 14.36%, were elected. Over the years, there has been a slow increase in the number of women in Lok Sabha. In the 2009 elections, representation crossed the 10% mark and peaked in the 2019 elections with 14.36% women representation. India still lags behind several countries. For example, 46% of MPs in South Africa, 35% in the UK, and 29% in the US are women. The women representatives are elected from 14 parties. BJP leads the party-wise share with 31 women MPs, followed by Congress with 10, and TMC with 11. Let's now discuss Women Reservation Act 2023. The Act reserves one-third of all seats for women in Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and the Legislative Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, including those reserved for SCs and STs. The reservation will be effective after the next delimitation exercise following the census. The rotation of seats allocated for women will be governed by parliamentary legislation after each delimitation process. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which amendment to the Indian Constitution introduced the reservation of seats for women in the Panchayati Raj institution? 73rd Amendment, 61st Amendment, 104th Amendment, or 106th Amendment? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.